Download and install Oracle Virtualbox on Windows 11. To download the Oracle Virtualbox, visit the website virtualbox.org, and here you will find the link to download the latest version of Oracle Virtualbox. So click on the download Virtualbox 6.1. Since we are going to download uh, the Oracle Virtualbox for Windows 11, we will click on Windows hosts, and with this we will download the Oracle Virtualbox for Windows. So download will take almost 2 minutes. You can use the Virtualbox to install the other operating systems like Ubuntu, CentOS, and even the different Windows version. In future, I will show you how you can download and install Ubuntu 20.04 on the Oracle Virtualbox. The Oracle Virtualbox 6.1.30 is completed. Now we can click on this exe file, and this will install, and this will start the installers. So Oracle Virtualbox 6.1.30 setup installer is now started. Click next. I will leave this as default, then click next, and yes, then click install. Click install. So Oracle Virtualbox is installed successfully. Click finish. Now this is the Oracle VM Virtual Manager. Here you can create new, and it supports the different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM OS2, Mac OS, and others. So you can use the Oracle Virtualbox to install the guest operating system and use in the Windows 11. In next videos, I will show you how to install the different operating system and use the Oracle Virtualbox in Windows 11. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.